Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to pay your Scotiabank credit card bill, and the first thing I want you to do is just log in, okay? And then I want you to tap here on your credit card. So let's say this one right here, and to pay all you have to do is tap here on pay and choose from what account you are paying. So you can tap here and choose, let's say, either your savings account or this account right here. As you can see, it has some funds. And of course, we're paying off our card. You can enter the amount you want to pay. Okay, just enter your amount and tap on done. And of course, you can also select the frequency. So let's say we're only paying this off once, a one-time payment. You can select the date as well when you want to pay it. And then you just slide like this to the right to transfer. And that's all you have to do. And as you can see, the transfer has been sent. So that is how to pay Scotia credit card bill. Now, if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.